the length of each side of an equilateral triangle. Length of each side of an equilateral triangle is increased by 2 meters. Its area will increase, then its area will increase, will increase by 6√3 square meter. 6√3 square meter. Then number 1, find the length of each side of the triangle. Number 2, find perimeter and area of the triangle. Number 3, find the perpendicular distance, or find the length of any median of the triangle. From this statement or this system, successively we have to answer these 3 questions. The condition is given: whenever side is increased, then area of the triangle will increase. Whenever side became reduced, then definitely area must be reduced. So by using this system successively, inshallah, we will start solve 3 questions. Did you complete question writing?
No, sir.
Okay, please carry on. So first of all, this information is given from an equilateral triangle. So we have to draw a triangle properly. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle. What is the condition of an equilateral triangle? Let me know.
All sides are equal.
Yes, all sides are equal. So step 1, draw an equilateral triangle where you can consider length of each side of the triangle is a unit. That means a meter. Information is given in meter. So we can consider here length of 3 sides of triangle are as a meter. Now The condition is given here. 3 meters increase. The side is increased by 3 meters. So second triangle is greater than first triangle by the side of 2 meter increased. So we can draw another triangle which each side length must be greater than previous triangle. And we can fix them here. I think triangles, this is not an equilateral triangle, that's why it is not exactly fitted here. So we can draw this triangle here. Okay. Now, this is the second triangle, where length of each side of the white color triangle is 2 meter more than previous triangle. So this side must be a plus 2 meter. The side a plus 2 meter. This side is a plus 2 meter. And the covering triangle is greater than previous triangle. So did you understand why we have drawn this triangle like this? According to the information, there are two types of triangle. Both are equilateral triangle, but the condition, one triangle is one triangle is greater than another triangle by 2 meter more. This information is given. Okay. Do you have any question up to this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, area of the triangle. Which triangle area will be greater? White color triangle or this yellow color triangle? Which triangle area will be greater?
White color.
White color. Why?
The length is increased by 2 meters.
Yes, its length is increased. Whenever length is increased, definitely area must be or perimeter must be increased. Now, they have given another information. The difference between this area of these two triangles is 6 root over 3 square meter. Whenever side is increased 2 meter, area will increase 6 root over 3 square meter. That means a difference between these two area of the two triangle is 6 root over 3 square meter. So now you can consider let number 1. Let length of each side of the triangle, length of each side of length of each side of an equilateral triangle, triangle is equals to a meter. When length increased by 2 meter, when length is increased by 2 meters, then each side length will be a plus 2 meter. Okay. Now, according to question, their area difference. According to question, what is the formula of finding area of an equilateral triangle? What is the formula?
স্যার ভুলে গেছি।
Root over 3/4 a square unit, right? Area of an equilateral triangle, √3/4 a square. So now the greater triangle area is √3/4 side square. Here side is a plus 2. And smallest triangle area is √3/4 a square. Now, difference of two triangle, difference of the square of two triangles is given in the question 6√3. This is the mathematical equation according to STEM. Their area is increased by 6√3 square meter. That means greater triangle area and smallest triangle area difference will be 6√3. Did you understand this equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to solve this equation and find the value of A. So there is a technique we can apply here, or √3/4 we can take here common, right? √3/4. So now we can write a formula here. Tanha, let me know. What is the formula of A plus 2 whole square?
Sir, a square plus 2a into 2 plus 2 square.
Directly we can write here 4a plus 4. And now when √3/4 is common, here remaining is minus a square. And the right side is 6√3. Okay. We can eliminate plus a square and minus a square. And there is √3/4. From these two terms, we can take 1/4 common. 4 common, and a plus 1 is here. And now this is 6√3. Do you have any question up to this?
Yes, sir.
Now reduce 4 and 4. So √3 times of a plus 1 and 6√3. So divide both sides by √3. Then what you will get? A plus 1 is equals to 6, or a equals to 6 minus 1 and 5. So it's very easy and simple calculation. What is
Sir, second লাইনটা আবার একটু বুঝাবেন।
now second line? Okay, here the two step we have done at a times. For taking common √3/4 from this formula, √3/4 and √3/4 common. So here remaining a plus 2 whole square, and in the second term here remaining a square. So a minus 2, a plus 2 whole square we can write as a formula breakdown: a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2ab, that means 2ab plus b square, and this is a square. So this is the actually breakdown of a plus 2 whole square. Okay. This is breakdown. And
স্যার বুঝেছি।
whenever √3/4 common, in the second terms, the remaining is a square. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the length of each side of the triangle. Now, what is our requirement according to the question? Okay. See the question again. Find the length of each side of the triangle. Okay, our answer is clear. First question answer is okay, according to the requirement. So length of each side of the triangle, length of each side of triangle is equals to root 5 meter, is equals to 5 meter, and this is our answer. Okay, can we start the next question?
Yes, sir.
Now see the requirement here. What is the perimeter and area of the triangle? Just write down the formula of perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Already we have applied this formula. Perimeter means sum of all boundary sides. So here 3 sides are same. That means 3 times of A. Perimeter of the triangle is 3A. And area of the triangle is √3/4A square. So perimeter of triangle ABC. Number 2, length of each side of the triangle, length of each side, length of each side equals to A equals to 5 meter. Okay, A equals to 5 meter. Perimeter, perimeter, sum of all sides. So here 3 sides are same, A plus A plus A. That means 3A meter. So it will be 3 into 5. 3 multiply 5 meter. And now perimeter is done. Area equals to √3/4 multiply A square meter. So it's √3/4 into 5 square meter is equals to 525 √3/4 square meter. You can give here answer, or also you can convert in decimal format, no problem. Also you can write in decimal format by using scientific calculator. It's very easy question. Do you have any requirement anymore?
No, sir.
Okay, can we start the next question, please?
Sir, একটু দেন, লাস্টে বাকি আছে।
Sure.
Sir, done.
Okay, now question number 3. Find the length of any median. Do you have any idea about the median?
Sir, ভুলে গেছি।
Median, Farhin. Do you have any idea about median?
No, sir. মনে নাই।
Okay, sir. Okay. Medians basically, just I'm giving few information about median, then we will start answer 3. Now, draw any types of triangle as you wish. Draw 3 different triangles. So there are 3 different triangles, 3 different format. Obtuse angle triangle we see here, a right angle triangle, an acute angle triangle. Okay, now take any midpoint of any side. and this midpoint joined with opposite vertex. This is called median. Okay. So whenever you take midpoint, this one will be median. So median basically nothing but the joining line of vertex and the midpoint of its opposite sides. So if we take midpoint here, this one will be the median. Take a midpoint of any sides of triangle, then join with its previous vertex. How many medians in a triangle? What is the maximum number of medians of a triangle? Anyone?
Three.
Three. Three sides means three medians. Thank you so much. Like this is one median. And if you draw a triangle properly by using geometry box, there is interesting thing. Three medians passes through a common point in every types of triangle. In every case, it's not a matter right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, or isosceles triangle. In every case, three medians passes through a common point, and this point is called gravity, or this point is called centroid of a triangle, right? So if we draw another median here in this triangle, and if we draw third medians here, in every case, it will not depends on the type of triangle. Any type of triangle, every case three medians are concurrent. That means they go through a common point, and this point is called gravity of the triangle, or centroid of triangle. This point mentioned in higher class with the letter G. G is a common point where three medians passes through at this point. Triangle centroid. G is the centroid. And there is another interesting thing. Every case, from centroid to upper side, there will be two parts, and centroid to midpoint, and there will be one part. Whenever this is 6 centimeter, this one will be 3 centimeter. Whenever this is 8 centimeter, this one will be 4 centimeter. There is relation we have to prove in upper class. From centroid to upper side length is 2 times greater than the distance from centroid to base midpoint. Okay, I hope you got a clear image about the median. Now, in an equilateral triangle, we have to find the median. Whenever we draw a median in an equilateral triangle, every case, three medians must be same. So, midpoint, consider this is midpoint, and this is A, this is B, this is C. So, midpoint consider as D. Do you know what is the value of BD? How we can find the value of BD? Simple technique. A is given here 5. A is 5 centimeters. So what is the length of BD or DC?
2.5.
2.5.
Yes, 2.5. This is 2.5. Half of the total length. So this is 2.5 meter. And this is also 2.5 meter. Now joint this one by using scale. In equilateral triangle, median must be perpendicular lengths. Median must be perpendicular length. Okay. Now, okay. And if you draw a medians in an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle, it must be perpendicular due to the basic characteristics of congruent or same to same triangle. Now, how we can find the length of median? Do you have any idea? If we,
Sir, key.
how we can find the length of median? Is it possible by using any mathematical formula or calculation to find the length of median AD?
Sir, yes, sir, Pythagoras theorem.
You're thinking 3 centimeters, but you are trying to guess it without any mathematical calculation, right? But there is interesting relation. আমি যদি নামটা বলি তোমরা কিন্তু ঠিক ধরতে পারবা কোন ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করে এখন আমরা মিডিয়ান রেডি করব। Yes, absolutely right. By using Pythagoras theorems in a right angle triangle ABD, we can find the length of AD. Okay. So now, just we need to give here a short description of the figure. In triangle ABC, here 3 sides are same. AB equals to BC equals to AC, and each side length is considered as A, where the value is 5 meter. 5 meter. Okay. D is the midpoint. D is midpoint of D is midpoint of BC. So BD equals to DC equals to A by 2 equals to 5 by 2 equals to 2.5 meter. Joint A, comma D, which is perpendicular, on BC. That means whenever you joint any midpoint to opposite vertex in isosceles triangle or in equilateral triangle, this medians must be perpendicular. So joint A, comma D, which is perpendicular on BC. So median is here. Median is AD. Now in triangle A, B, D. So if we mention here the D angle is right angle. So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean's theorem, AD square plus BD square, BD perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. Okay. Now we have to calculate by using given value here. Value of AD which is not given. Value of BD 2.5 and value of AB 5. AD square is equals to 5 square minus 2.5 square. By using scientific calculator, directly you can find the answer. 5 square minus 2.5 square is 18 point, or AD square is equals to 18.75, or AD equals to root over 18.75. So answer will be 4.33 meter. This is approximate value, and this is our answer, length of medians. So if we compare with the side, median and length, median is smaller than length. The length of each side is 5 meter and its median is 4.33 approximate meter. There is another relation. In higher class, you have to prove it, like 3 sides, A, B, C. Length of 3 sides, that means perimeter, is greater than length of 3 medians whenever a triangle is an scalene triangle, D plus E plus F. That means length of 3 sides of any type of triangle is greater than length of 3 medians, sum of 3 medians of triangle. And this is another most interesting question. And basically class 9 standard, in exam, maximum time student have to prove it, the relation between sides and medians of a triangle, or show that sum of 3 medians of a triangle is greater than sum of 3 sides of a triangle is greater than sum of 3 medians. So here just we have find the value of 1 median, which is 4.3 meter, and we see for median 4.3 and 5 side length is greater than 1 median. Do you understand up to last?
Yes, sir.
So another question I'm giving you. Okay. There is 2 minutes remaining. Okay, no problem. Number 2, the length of perpendicular. There is a triangle here. Draw any types of triangle. It's look like 3 different sides. A, B, and C. Now take any point inside the triangle. Take any point inside the triangle. So we can take this point here. Okay. Oh, this is an equilateral triangle. 3 sides equal. 3 sides equal. And take any point inside the triangle. Now draw a perpendicular. This is one perpendicular. This is another perpendicular. And this is another perpendicular. 3 perpendicular from any point inside the triangle. And the 3 perpendicular length is, one length is 6 centimeter. This length is 7 centimeter. This length is 8 centimeter. Now, find the area of the triangle. Is it possible to find the area of the triangle? Now, total, our requirement is find the area of the triangle. By using this information, you have to find the area of the whole triangle ABC. এই ম্যাথটা তোমরা বাসায় একটু ট্রাই করবা, তোমাদের কাজ দিচ্ছি। আমি যদি না পারি ইনশাল্লাহ আমি তো হেল্প করব। আমি জাস্ট তোমাদের রিকোয়ারমেন্টটা বলে দিচ্ছি। এরিয়া হচ্ছে রিকোয়ারমেন্ট, আর ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা হচ্ছে সেম ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, ইকুইল্যাটারাল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল AB, BC and AC, three sides equal, and there from any midpoint O, three perpendicular length D, তারপর E, F, three perpendicular length are 6 centimeter. This information give centimeter, all are centimeter here. ফিগারটা একটা ছবি তুলে নাও, আমাদের যে কোনো সময় লাইন কাটা যেতে পারে। তো যেহেতু সবাই নাই, আমরা আজকে আর কন্টিনিউ করব না, ইনশাল্লাহ নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমরা এখান থেকে শুরু করব। তার মানে তোমাদের টার্গেট হচ্ছে ABC ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের এরিয়া রেডি করবা। এখন আমি একটু ক্লু যদি দেই, আগে এখানে সব